Hello students and viewers. Welcome back to my channel AV Samarpan, a journey of life science. Myself Vikash. In this video, we shall talk about the improvement in soil fertility. That is the part of basic practices of crop production. This topic belongs to class 8 chapter 1. So let's come to start the topic. So, during the production of the crop, as soil is the basic requirement for the growth of plant, different nutrients present in the soil, and plants absorb these nutrients with the help of root. As continuously growth of the crop in the field, it reduces the amount of nutrients. So the next crop which we grow get the less amount of nutrient, and it affects the growth of our plant. So it is very important to fulfill the requirement of nutrients in the field. That is also known as replenishment of the nutrients in the soil. So this process is done with the help of manure and fertilizers. Farmers use manure and fertilizer in the field to improve the fertility and for improve the production of the crop. So let's come to start. What is the meaning of manure? Manure is the organic component that is made by the waste material like that of animal excreta, peels of vegetables, farm waste, useless leaves, and some others waste product, and it provides the different nutrients to the soil. Farmers prepare the manure in the field. For the preparation of the manure, farmers dig a pit in the corner of field. Then it is filled with the waste product like that of different waste product, different organic substances. A layer of soil is used to cover the waste, and then it makes it moistened by sprinkling water on it. Then after leave it for few months, around 3 to 4 months, and continuously sprinkle the water time to time. Microorganism grows, worms grows, and some other insects that are useful or helpful for the decomposing that grows well and convert it into manure or compost. That is called compost. Compost are very useful for the growth of the plant, as it increases the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil aerated. Also, it provides humus and different nutrients to the soil. Manure perform a very important role, as it doesn't harm to the groundwater. It doesn't pollute that, and there is no adverse effect on the environment of it. Of course, it has less number or less amount of nutrients, but it is eco-friendly. So, Government of India established National Institute of organic farming that improve the crop production by utilizing the organic materials like that of manure. It also encourage the farmers to use the manures because it doesn't harm and the product produce is completely pure. There is no harmful chemicals. So if farmers use that, they get the more profit for this pure produce. The next one is fertilizer. Most of the area farmers use fertilizers. Fertilizers are the substance or chemicals that is prepared in the factory. It is an inorganic component. It has high number of nutrients. As fertilizers are nutrient specific, it has no more nutrients but a high amount of nutrient. It increases the fertility and helps in the growth of plant very fast. But it affect the soil adversely. But for the production of more and more crop, farmers use that as fertilizers contain nutrients in single form, like plants require nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and these are needed by plant in high amount as macronutrients. These all are present in soil. But when it is reduced, farmers mix it. Fertilizers which are present in market are single nutrient based or in mixed way. For example, for the nitrogen fertilizer, a very special urea is present in the market. Nitrogen. Urea is present. It is commonly used, we know very well, for potassium. Potassium, potash is available in the market. For phosphorus, phosphorus superphosphate, superphosphate is available in the market, but not in single form. It is present in mixed form also. Like that, NPK, NPK, it represents nitrogen, it represents phosphorus, and it represents potassium. So that NPK is available in the market and farmers use it for more and more production of the crop. The brand name of it, Sujala, Sufala, and these are available. But fertilizers are useful and also harmful in many ways, because on the basis of it there are some differences between fertilizers and manure. As manure is the organic substance and fertilizers inorganic. Manure is prepared in the field, but fertilizers are prepared in the factory. Manures are not easy to handle, but fertilizers are very easy to handle. The storing of manure is very tough as it take more space, but the storing of fertilizers is very easy. Also its transportation is very easy, and the transportation of manure is tough. Fertilizers very easily dissolved in the water and very fast absorbed by the plants. But manure is not easily dissolved in water, and it is not absorbed by plants very easily. But if we talk about the health of the soil, manure is best. So our government force our farmers for using more and more manure. And also our government work for the development of the biofertilizers, as manure improve the health of soil, but fertilizers pollute the groundwater, and also it enters in the food chain and harm to the animals, humans, and all. So that manure is best for that. I hope this video was useful to you. In next video, we shall discuss about the nitrogen cycle and the process by which farmers improve the fertility. One very important thing I want to say you, some of my students request me to make the video in Hindi also. So from today, you will get the Hindi version of my videos also. And I shall try to make all the video in Hindi version. So you can get the knowledge according to your wish. And if you want to see Hindi version or English version, you can choose. So we shall meet in next video, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.